Hi, this is Jennifer Griffin with GoFetch Marketing, and this video tutorial is for Pocket Cash ATMs on how to export out a Gravity form in its raw data format to use. I'm already logged into the back end of Pocket Cash, so this is pretty easy. All you need to do is hover over Forms, click it, gives you 3 different forms. Those are the forms you have in the system. You want to go back over here and click over Import Export. Choose the form you want. In this case, it's the ATM service form. And up pops all the fields you'll need that are available for you to export. I recommend trying to keep a minimum amount as possible so it just doesn't get too many columns in your spreadsheet. So let's just put this, location name, number of hours, work completed by, additional comments, and just randomly pick some. Put your start date that you want the data from. I'm going to do January 1st through January 31st, and then hit download export file. Now, all you need to do is open your Excel and go open the file, which is here, or I go to Finder. Let's see, this one is the one I just did. I'm just going to double click on that and open it in Excel. There we go. So it doesn't matter how you get it open, just get it open. You can go to Finder, you can go to your downloads folder. If you see it on your desktop, double click it. So these are the fields that I exported. I'm opening them all up so I can see better. So if I want to save this sheet for a specific person, like let's say there's a lot of tests in here, but let's just say I think that's when we're setting up part of the system or fixing it. So I'm going to go ahead and I want to just use Quick Cash. That's the client I'm sending it to. So I'm going to click on this and literally hold my mouse down, highlight anything that isn't Quick Cash, right click on it, hit delete. And this is my final spreadsheet. I mean, you could format this if you want. It depends how fancy you want to get. I'm going to do a little formatting. I'm going to bold the header. I mean, you can do all kinds of stuff. It really just depends on what you're using it for, but this gives you the option. So then all you have to do, now here's the important part, go to File, Save As. Now it's still a CSV file. You don't want to send it, see right here, file format, it's in a CSV. You don't want it to be in a CSV when you send it to the end user because that's raw data format and they'll get confused. Or comma delimited format. So you want to save it into Excel. Make sure it's got a .xlsx on it. So I'm going to rename this Quick Cash January, and it's saving to my downloads folder, which is fine. Hit save. And that's really it. Then I could go to Finder, downloads, and there it is. And then I just open an email and attach it, and I'm done. So this is a good way to send your vendors a quick look at what they did for the month. That's it. Thank you.